Hey everybody, I was gonna post this video over on my main channel, but it started to feel kind of self-indulgent, so I decided to post it over here on this long forgotten channel that nobody watches anyway. You know, there's a lot of things that YouTubers do that are really annoying, but complaining about YouTube is right near the top, right? Right next to whining about mean comments. Oh, look at me, I get paid to make woodworking projects and shoot video from home and someone said something mean to me. You know what I'll do is I'll make a community post on the main channel about this video, so hopefully some people will find it. Okay, so let's talk about shorts, since they seem to spark a heated reaction among some viewers. This is one of the biggest new features YouTube has added in years, and YouTube is really pushing them hard. And judging by the numbers so far, I can see why. I think casual YouTube viewers might not understand what these are and why I post them, so here's the rundown. These are videos under 60 seconds shot in vertical format and meant for viewing on phones and scrolling from one to the next. They are for very short attention span viewing. On a desktop or a computer, vertical videos look really bad, but this is 2021 and most people are used to vertical videos on a phone. Remember way back when there was the whole vertical video syndrome meme that was a thing back in like 2014? Well, that's not true any longer. This is just an example of how the world changes. The most important thing to know about shorts is that they don't replace regular videos. All the longer format videos that you enjoy haven't disappeared, and people aren't going to stop making those. This is an added feature providing more content, not less. A lot of people who dislike shorts tend to see this as a binary thing, like you could either watch or produce shorts or regular videos, but not both. This isn't the case. So why do I post shorts on a woodworking channel? Mostly for discoverability. They are not intended for regular viewers or subscribers. That's really important to know. Most of the shorts views are from non-subscribers. They serve as an entry point to my channel and drive many of those viewers to watch my regular videos. This short on coping miters has driven over 6,000 new subscribers in 2 months. So let's compare that with an actual project video that I put a lot of work into and was very proud of the result. I released this video 2 days earlier, and since it was published, it has actually cost me 17 subscribers. At the same time, it's also interesting to note that subscriptions are less and less important to a channel's success than they used to be. Less than a third of my channel views come from subscribers. I've talked to plenty of people who don't even bother subscribing to channels anymore, especially younger people. The algorithm works really well for the most part, and if you watch, say, a couple of my videos, you can be certain that YouTube is gonna start serving up more of my videos, whether you're subscribed or not. I think for most people, scrolling through a subscription feed is a thing of the past. This is a graph showing where the traffic to my videos comes from over the past 3 months. By far, the largest driver of viewers are shorts. It's also interesting to note that only 8% of my views come from a YouTube search. This is very much in line with YouTube's goal to serve you what you enjoy watching rather than what you're specifically looking for. You'll spend more time on the platform watching ads. As a side note, if you're a creator, it's not really worth spending a whole lot of time making your video searchable. Most views really boil down to just a good thumbnail. The funniest thing is seeing creators who still try to use keyword stuffing on their titles and descriptions, even though YouTube and Google uses a contextual search and keywords are meaningless. YouTube's smart. It knows what your video is about based on its actual content. This isn't 2007 any longer. But I also think YouTube is completely saturated with woodworking project videos and woodworking channels at this point. The golden age of YouTube around 2014 to about 2016 is long gone. I mean, if you're looking to make, say, a coffee table, I always use coffee tables as an example because for some reason woodworkers are obsessed with coffee tables. But anyways, if you're looking to make one, there's really nothing new I or anyone else can add to the coffee table genre. There's 13 years of content on my channel alone, and shorts drive new viewers to discover that content, which is good because shorts aren't monetized for creators, at least not yet. So making them doesn't earn me any money at all. But there's a bigger reason why I'm making shorts, and ironically, it has to do with search. Not YouTube search, but rather Google search. Right now, shorts don't show up in searches on YouTube or Google, but it doesn't take a genius to assume that at some point, Google is going to have these show up in Google searches the way they include time-stamped segments from videos right now in Google searches. The way most people conduct searches these days is at the spur of the moment while you're holding your phone. You just ask it, how do I fold a shirt, or how do I drive a nail the right way? And I'm gonna bet you that Google would love to be able to serve up a concise 60-second tutorial. And I want to have a library of answers to those questions already waiting. And in my estimation, this is the advantage Shorts has over TikTok. It has the potential to be far more powerful. Of course, all of this is just conjecture on my part. Shorts might end up just being a complete dud on YouTube. But for now, if you're a YouTuber, you'd be crazy not to at least experiment with shorts while they're still in their infancy. And if subscription numbers are important to you, shorts will definitely drive a ton of new subscribers. And it's really weird the way it works. YouTube will serve up your short, and for the first 2 days, usually nothing happens. And then all of a sudden, YouTube will put it on that shorts shelf on your phone, and as soon as it hits there, boom, the views and subscriptions just skyrocket. And if you're a viewer who doesn't like shorts, that's okay. There's really no benefit to taking the time to proclaim your dislike. Just don't watch them. But if you do watch my shorts and you enjoy them, thank you. My channel is always evolving and always a work in progress. Some things work, some things don't, but I think as a business, it's always worth adapting and trying new things. Making the same content over and over is a surefire way to kill a channel. Thanks for watching, everybody.